Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa, and in this video we are going to write a program to find the largest of two numbers in C. So let us write the preprocessor directives. Hash include, in angular brace we'll write standard input output .h header file. Hash include, in angular brace we'll write console input output .h header file. Now we'll write void main function curly open brace, and now I'm going to declare a function that is called function prototype. Here I'm going to write return type integer, and the name of the function is large, and I'm going to pass two arguments of type integer separated by comma and then put semicolon, and this is called a function prototype. Function prototype is also called function declaration. So how exactly we are going to declare all the variable before using them in the function or before using them in the program? In the same way, we are going to declare the function first. And now let us declare the two variables of type integer a and b. CLR SCR is the function which is used to clear the screen. Now let us ask the user to enter two numbers using printf statement. Here in a double quotation mark I'm going to write enter two numbers, for example colon backward slash n, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon, and we're going to receive the response from the user through keyboard using scanf statement. Here in a double quotation mark I'm going to write %d and %d, end the double quotation mark, comma ampersand of a, comma ampersand of b, and put semicolon. After this we need to print the largest number. So I'm going to write printf in a double quotation mark the largest number is %d, end the double quotation mark, put comma, and here we'll be having the function call large a comma b. So whatever the value that we are going to receive from the user through keyboard will be passed as an argument to this function call, round closing brace and put semicolon, and here I'm going to write get ch function curly closing brace. Now we have to define this particular function. So how to write? We can write return type integer, name of the function as large. Next we have to pass two arguments. Here I'm going to write int x comma int y. Next curly open brace, and here we are going to check the condition. If x is greater than y, then it has to return x. Otherwise, that is else part, it has to return y value. Curly closing brace indicates this is the termination point of the function definition. So let us take an example. Here I'm going to write output. So when we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter two numbers. So enter two numbers. So because of this backward slash n, cursor come down to the next line. For example, I'm going to enter 10 and 20. So 10 will be stored in variable a and 20 will be stored in variable b. Next is what? The largest number is %d large function call. So whenever the compiler encounters with the function call, immediately control jumps to the function definition. So here a refers to x, b refers to y. So here a, that is x, is 10. So here we are going to check the condition. If 10 is greater than 20, no, condition fails. If the condition fails, then the else part statement will get executed. So it is going to return y value, that is b value. 20 will be returned back to the main function. So it is going to print the largest number is %d, and the double quotation mark, and here we are going to print actual number. So largest number is 20 will be printed, right? Yes. So let us run this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen. Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ integrated development environment. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. Here it is showing success that indicates there is no syntax error. I'll press enter. Now let us run this program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is asking the user to enter two numbers. For example, I'm going to enter 10 and 20. Then I'm going to press enter. Here you can see it is printing the largest number is 20. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.